Hey everybody, how's it going? Shawn from Shawn's Leaf and Lawn here, and I just want to make a quick video about the importance of thatching. So, one of the things that most people don't understand is that when you get your grass cut, a lot of that stuff will fall back into the grass. Professionals like myself come out, we do mulching and things like that. We don't really bag that stuff up. So over time, it builds a blanket on top of your grass and it kind of smothers that out a little bit. And so the good thing is that you don't have to do this every single year. You don't have to do it every few years, but it's definitely something that you want to do, because while you're spending money on outside companies maybe to come in and spray fertilizer and things like that, it's not really getting that deep into the grass. So without a good thatching, you're just throwing money out the window. So if you're thinking about possibly getting it done or maybe needing it, give us a call. Shawn's Leaf and Lawn, 734-540-0602. We'll come out, talk to you about it, take a look, and let you know what it could be. But again, the importance of thatching. If your grass isn't green, you probably need a good thatching. Aerating is cool, but thatching does a lot more. So give us a call for more details. Thanks.